We named Summer Fridays. We wanted it to feel like you wanted to escape into beauty, into the Summer Fridays feeling. And we always say it's a Summer Friday, always in Los Angeles.
A brand that looked beautiful, but that really worked, and that had ingredients that you felt good putting on your skin.
Our community really powers everything that we do, from the formulas we create, how we talk about products, how we improve on the formulas that already exist.
So confident in my own skin.
Everything they create is pure magic.
At this point, I'm just obsessed.
And it is so good. It really hydrates the skin. I mean, look at my skin right now.
Summer Fridays jet lag mask. My skin is just like so dry and flaky. I have very acne prone skin. See, my skin has like a shine back to it. All the flakiness on my skin is gone. It feels so good.
Summer Fridays shade drops truly blew me away. The texture is so silky and refined and melts into the skin effortlessly.
But it's literally my favorite. I wear this color every day, all day. I keep one in my car, one in my purse. I just love the shininess. It's moisturizing. I love it.